must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work. And you must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from. Your only limit is your soul. What I say is true. Anyone can cook, but only the fearless can be great.
Welcome back to Cooking with Ronnie. Cooking with Ronnie. Okay, today we're going to be making omelet. Not just any omelet. French omelet. They call it omelette et frite. Okay. So the first step is to peel potatoes. After you peel potatoes, you wanna cut them into small pieces like this. Okay, if you cut them into bigger pieces, they'll take longer to fry. The step is to get some eggs and mix them. Okay, after you've mixed them real well, you're going to add a little bit of salt. And you only add a little bit of salt because eggs can get really salty. Okay. Once your eggs are mixed up really good, and when I say mixed up really good, I mean really good. If they're not mixed up well enough, then they won't be as well as you want them to. But the next step is to add onions to the eggs, okay? Now, before you do this step, there's one thing you must always remember. Wash your hands. But me being the professional chef I am, I've already washed my hands. Okay, you're going to want to cut nice thin slices of onions. Now, just because you didn't go to culinary school like me, doesn't mean you can't cut onions. And remember, anyone can cook. Okay, so add some onions. After you've added onions, mix them to your stove has started heating up a bit. Put in some oil. You gotta make sure that the oils are warm as well. Okay, put in a little bit. Because if you don't, you'll die from cholesterol and a heart attack. You don't want too many cholesterol. It's not good for you. Okay, you want to spread the oil nice and well around. Okay, once you put them into the pot, you've got to start mixing them really well. Like this, just like this. Mix them all around. Okay. You keep doing this until they start getting cooked. Okay, like McDonald's French fries, okay? Now me personally, I've never been to McDonald's because my glorious king, Duke Dennis, always tells me that's not healthy. Stirring them for a while, you're going to need salt, okay? Put some salt in, sprinkle it in real well, just like that. Then you're going to want to mix it around, just like this. Make sure to get it all around, on all of them. Now, after doing this for a while, you're going to want to keep doing this until they turn a crispier color. Okay, now when they start turning a nice crispy golden color like this, that's when you're going to add the eggs. Here are the eggs. You want to mix them a little before putting them straight in. You see that? Let's max them. Okay. Now you want to mix it around. keep mixing it around just like this. Okay. And you're going to keep doing this for a while until it starts hardening and thickening up on the bottom. You want it to be, you want to start when it's thicker than the thickest person you know. You're going to keep mixing it just like this. You just want to keep getting it good like this. Okay. Keep mixing it around. Keep it moving, okay? You want to get every single bit of it cooked correctly. You don't gotta be Gordon Ramsay to cook good. It just takes a bit of practice. Okay, and as my favorite person from Ratatouille once said, anybody can cook, but it takes a fearless person to be, but only the fearless can be great. You see, I'm fearless. I'm not afraid of it. It's afraid of me. Okay, so once it starts turning a nice color like this, a nice light brown, that's when you know it's just about to be done. Any second now, it will be done. And I hope you've realized that most of these steps take a while. You might be mixing for a while. The cutting might take a bit. But it's worth it. You don't gotta have a rat controlling you to cook some nice food. Anybody can cook. Anybody can cook. You just gotta believe in yourself. And guys, always remember, imagine if Ninja got a low taper fade. Low taper fade. And guys, when it's done, it should look like this. Okay, now, thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It gives me a while to put it on a plate and to demonstrate how it will look.